Starter unit. Page 5. Objective. I can use the verb be and introduce people. B. Affirmative and negative.
Hi, I'm Pip. I love music. Listen. This is my favourite rock band. They're from the USA. They're amazing.
Hi, Pip. You aren't a rock star. You're funny. I am Cat. I'm Cat. I'm not Pip. Am I Cat? Yes, I am. You are Pip. You're Pip. You aren't Cat. Are you Pip?
Yes, I am.
I am interested in reading. He is into music. We are good at sport. Is, are forms of the verb be. We often use the full forms of be in written English. The contracted forms are usually used in spoken English. For example, I'm interested in reading. He's into music. We're good at sport. We form be affirmative sentences with a subject, followed by the verb be. For example, I am happy. He, she, it, is 11. You, we, they, are into music. We can also use the contracted forms of is and are. For example, I'm happy. His, she's, it's 11. You're, we're, they are into music. We form be negative sentences with a subject, followed by the negative form of the verb be. For example, I am not happy. He, she, it, is not 11. You, we, they, are not into music. We can also use the contracted forms. For example, I'm not happy. He, she, it, isn't 11. You, we, they, aren't into music. Activity 1. Complete the table with the words in the box. Then check your answers in the text on page 4. Activity 2. Choose the correct words. 1. I'm not from London. 2. He's good at sport. 3. They aren't my friends. 4. You're into music. 5. Mrs. Turner is a teacher. Activity 3. Write true sentences. Use affirmative and negative forms of the verb be. For example, Kate is interested in sport. One. Zebras are animals. 2. Oxford isn't in Brazil. 3. My friends aren't 12. 4. The name of this book is English Plus. 5. I am not interested in video games. 6. I am not from Paris.
Subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. Miss Ong is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a subject pronoun. A pronoun that takes the place of a noun as the subject of a sentence. There are 7 subject pronouns. I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. This is her book. Her is a possessive adjective. A possessive adjective is used with a noun to show that something belongs to someone. There are 7 possessive adjectives. My, his, her, its, your, our, and their. Activity 4. Complete the table with the words in blue in the text on page 4. Activity 5. Replace the words in blue with subject pronouns. For example, Mark is from Paris. He is from Paris. 1. This book is good. It is good. 2. Jen and Ed are from the UK. They are from the UK. 3. Anya and I are friends. We are friends. 4. You and Mick are brothers. You are brothers. Activity 6. Choose the correct words. This is my friend Teresa. Her mum and dad are from Prague. They are friends with my mum and dad. Our house is next to their house. It's the yellow house in this photo. Activity 7. Read and listen to the text. What is Yasmin's hobby?
Hi Jack, how are things?
Not bad. And you?
Good, thanks. This is my friend Yasmin.
Oh, hi Yasmin.
Hi. Yasmin is into skateboarding.
Really? That's cool.
See you later, Jack.
See you.
Yasmin is into skateboarding. Let's learn the key phrases for introducing people. How are things? How are you? This is. Yasmin is into. See you later. Activity 8. Use it. Work in pairs. Practice the dialogue in exercise 7. Then change the words in blue and practice a new dialogue.
Hi, Nazir. How are things?
Not bad. And you?
Good, thanks. This is my friend, John.
Oh, hi, John.
Hi.
John is into music.
Really? That's cool.
See you later, Nazir.
See you.